going on, everybody? This is Lady Luck here again. Happy Mother's Day to all the phenomenal moms out there. So I wanted to, on Mother's Day, do what I do best, and that's listen to some great music and put out some great content for you guys. I am just having a chill mode day, and I hope all of you out there, especially the mothers out there, are being pampered and getting a meal prepared for you. You don't have to cook, do any laundry today. This is the one day where we do nothing and enjoy it. So we're gonna check out some Morissette. This is How to Touch a Girl, and I'm actually really loving her home sessions or her Facebook live streams. You know, these videos are so just natural, raw, and pure to me because you get, you know, she's either playing her keyboard and or acapella, and you just get vocals, and they're a lot more homely. So she's a lot more natural, and whether I could listen to her do a practice rehearsal, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna check this out, and I have a few more songs lined up that I wanted to get out of Morissette. I don't know if she's still on her tour or not, but I know she was touring here in the U.S. and she has been killing it. So let's get to this. This is How to Touch a Girl by JoJo. I don't know if I've heard this.
And to you that requested the song, this is for you. Wait, let me just check the chords. Okay, ready? I think I could like you. I already do. Feelings can grow, but they can go away too. You're taking my hand, looking into my eyes. Don't be in a rush to get me tonight.
I haven't heard this. So easy for her.
If you want me so much, first I have to know, are you thoughtful and kind? Do you care what's on my mind? Or am I just for show? You go far in this world if you know how to touch a girl. Modulate. Do you know how to touch a girl?
Wow.
If you want me so much, first I have to know, are you thoughtful and kind? Do you care what's on my mind? Or am I just for show? You go far in this world if you know how to touch a girl. You go far in this world if you know how to touch a girl.
That video got away from me. That's all right. Well, listen to this one next. But listen, that was so good. This is my first time hearing that song, so I don't know how that song was supposed to sound, but that was phenomenal. I guess we could go ahead and check this one out in the same reaction. I wanted to separate it, but it just ran over into my next video. So this is Morissette doing another one of her. This is a Kumu live stream. I don't know what Kumu is. I'm assuming it's something like Facebook or Instagram or whatever. But I only have YouTube. I don't have any other social media, and I'm okay with it because I honestly don't have time for all of those platforms like that. So this is Come On In Out of the Rain.
So long.
Now I'm really curious about this Kumu thing. Y'all look at these little characters on here. Well, what is this? A dog popping out the box? What is a cup with the gold coin thing in it mean? I'm what is this? I see people requesting for songs like it was. I'm assuming it's another social media platform on its own. It's not like a sub part of Twitter or something. But everybody's requesting Halo. Y'all do know it's more than one song out there, right? Y'all know it's more than one song called Halo, like other songs out there. Y'all request the same song over again.
I sang this na rin pala sa ASAP, I forgot.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. So high! Some people spend a lot of time looking for love. And I have love right here all of the time. Why did I try to deny it? Deep inside, I just couldn't find it. You turned my life around. The love I lost is found. So let the rain come down. And you told me that you'll love me if I never change. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on and know the rain, the rain. There's a place in your heart to love me again. My gosh, happiness and joy are free when you call my name. Come on out of the rain. Ooh, yeah. Oh, baby, come out of the rain.
What is this?
My name, come on out of the rain. Ooh, yeah. Baby, come out of the rain.
pictures and stuff. I'm just like that, just because it's covering her up. I think that's the biggest distraction on this one. These pictures or whatever this is. I like her home environment where she's just natural and being herself. I mean, obviously this is her playing these songs on the spot, I'm assuming, with her live streams. She hasn't rehearsed them, so it's like a one-time take, except she's playing the keyboards as well. And I think, if you haven't heard a song and you've never played it, or even if you only sung it, you never played it, and you're doing it out of the blue, you're gonna mess up. That's part of being a human being. But I think vocally, she did those transitions and those modulations like it was nothing. Because I know I wouldn't have been able to sing that high anyway. First of all, I can't sing. All right. And be able to even get in that range is remarkable. And then to modulate even higher is even more remarkable. And we all know Morissette is a fantastic vocal beast. So I will never question her vocal abilities because she can sing no matter what. She can sing the phone book, the alphabets, happy birthday, and I would still react and put those videos up. Just like she's singing a song like this that's challenging in and of itself vocally, but then, musically challenging herself as a, pianist, as a musician, to play this song on a keyboard without any rehearsal or practice to it. Come on now. And I can tell she reads music, so no, you don't expect nobody to get it the first time around off the bat. Morissette is always phenomenal. We have more of her coming up. You guys continue to stay safe. I'm coming down with a cold or something, so yeah, just don't mind my voice. It's in and out for a reason. You guys take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and until the next video.